Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily unlink your Roblox accounts from PS4 or PS5. Let's begin. First, open your Roblox. It could be the web version or web browser. So I have it here, roblox.com, and I'm now signed into my account. So go over here on the upper right corner, click on the gear icon, choose settings, go to the security tab. And if you're going to scroll down, you will see the section where you are logged in. So it will show in here your Windows application, laptops, etc. But for the PS4, PS5 option, it should be just right over here. Now, I currently don't have it logged in. I've already logged out everything. So you should have the option over here to simply disconnect or log out your session. Like for example, this one, you could just easily click on the arrow key, but for the uh, PlayStation version, just click on disconnect. And once done, you're good to go. You can refresh, and once you are back on the screen, it should no longer show up in this section. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.